Hey guys, this is Steve with TronicsFix, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you remember the PS4 overheating video that I did where I overheated all of my PS4s. Well, today we're going to be overheating Xboxes. So I don't have an original Xbox One here with me, but I do have the Xbox One S and the Xbox One X. So I'm going to unplug the fan on both of those consoles and watch them overheat on our TV. So without any more talking, let's get started. So the fan connector on the Xbox One S is right here. Now you will notice this is the Silent Wings 3 fan. I did the modification on this particular Xbox One S, and you can see that video on my channel. I'll put a link on the top of the screen right now so you can see that video if you would like. I'm gonna go ahead and just unplug this. Then we'll start the game console up and see how long it takes to overheat and show you what it shows on the screen. Now we have our Xbox One S started up. You can see that the fan is not spinning because I do have it unplugged. So we have it on the screen here, and we'll just wait and see what it does when it overheats. So I have the Xbox One S updating. Hopefully that will get the temperature ramped up quicker, so hopefully it'll overheat quicker, but we'll see. I have replaced the thermal paste on this, so it theoretically does cool a little bit better than the factory, but I don't know how long it'll take, so hopefully it won't take long. Okay, and you saw this one, it actually didn't even give me a message. It just turned right off during my game. So what I'm gonna do is actually plug the fan in, turn it back on, and then see if it gives us any sort of message like it got too hot or anything like that. I have seen these give a message before saying it's too hot, but we'll see what it does. Now the fan is running very fast to get it cooled down. Okay, and here is our error message. Your Xbox One console is designed to automatically shut down to protect it from insufficient ventilation, blah, blah, blah. And then it gives you some tips to keep it from overheating. And then we can just press continue. And then we're back at the home screen. So that's the Xbox One S. Let's take a look at the Xbox One X. In here we have the Xbox One X all ready to go. I've unplugged the fan already, so let's get it started and watch it overheat. We're going to start an update and see if it overheats during the update, and then if not, we'll start a game and watch it overheat during the game. Okay, and here we have the same thing as the Xbox One S. It just got too hot and it just turned off just like that with no warning. So let's get the fan plugged back in and we'll turn it back on and see if it gives us the warning like it did on the Xbox One S on the screen with the things that you can do to help prevent overheating. Let's take a look. Now the fan is plugged in, let's get it started up and see if it gives us the message on the screen saying that it got too hot. You can hear the fan definitely working to get all that hot air out. And so far, no message at all on the screen about overheating. That may be because we were in the middle of an update or something like that. I'm not sure, but it definitely doesn't give us any sort of message right now. And now it's telling us it's time to update again. So I'm guessing that because it turned off during the update, that's why it didn't give us the message that it overheated. And that's why it's telling us to update again, because that update never finished. But another thing to keep in mind is if you have an update you're in the middle of, it's not necessarily gonna ruin anything or cause any problems if your console does accidentally turn off. You will just have to update it again. Now, there's no guarantee. There obviously can be problems that happen because of your console turning off during an update, but overall, most of the time, it's probably not gonna cause much of a problem, if any. So that's what happens when your Xbox One S and Xbox One X overheat. They will just turn off without warning and you'll get a blank screen. And then when you turn it back on again, it will tell you that it overheated and the steps to take to make sure it doesn't happen again. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know what other videos you want to see on my channel. Let me know if you want me to overheat any other consoles. Some commenters did say the Nintendo Switch and some of the older consoles like the PS1 and the PS2. Let me know if that sounds fun and you want to see it, and I'll definitely do that for you. Leave any questions or comments in the comments section, and I generally get to those when I have the chance. And most of the time I hang out for a while after my videos go live. Thanks again for the support on my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day.